In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Tradingview. If you're an avid user of Tradingview, you know just how valuable this tool is when it comes to analyzing stocks, cryptocurrencies, or any financial instrument. One of the great features of Tradingview is its versatility, including the ability to change the currency in which you view your trading information. This can be particularly useful if you're monitoring global markets or working with assets in different currencies. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Tradingview in your preferred web browser. Once you've logged in, and you're on the main interface, you'll be greeted with your default dashboard or chart view. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the watch list, details of the symbol you're following, and possibly some other widgets you've customized. To change the currency, focus on the top of the widget section. You'll see a line that indicates the instrument or market you're watching, along with its current price. Usually, it'll display the currency symbol right beside these numbers. What you want to do is click on the current currency symbol. It's usually displayed as a 3-letter code, like USD, Euro, or JPY. Clicking on this will bring a drop-down menu of available currency options. This menu might seem lengthy, but it's designed to accommodate all user preferences, so take a moment to scroll through if needed. When you've located your desired currency, simply click on it. For instance, if you want your data displayed in euros instead of US dollars, select Euro from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, Tradingview will automatically adjust to show all relevant data in the currency you've chosen. It's a sleek transition that should only take a few seconds to reflect. Now, let's talk about why you might need to switch currencies. Perhaps you're an international trader who works with multiple currencies, or you're interested in seeing how an asset performs relative to your local currency. Whatever the reason, changing the currency setting can give you a clearer understanding and a new perspective on your trading data. Remember, if you ever decide to switch back or choose another currency, you can repeat these steps. Tradingview is designed to make real-time switches hassle-free, ensuring the platform remains flexible and meets all your trading needs. It's all about making sure that the information you're digesting is as relevant and helpful to your specific situation as possible. Finally, it's worth noting that currency changes are local to your account settings and won't affect other users or shared charts. So, feel free to experiment and find what works best for you without worrying about causing disruptions elsewhere. That wraps up our guide on how to change the currency in Tradingview. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!